Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Razak Trihandoko with NPM 233111014. And here I will explain about data collection technique. Next. Definition of data collection. Data collection is a series of systematic activities carried out by research to obtain the information needed for the research. This process is not merely about researching for gathering information, but also ensuring that the data obtained is relevant, accurate, complete, and in line with the research objective. In research data collection is a very important stage because the quality of the data will determine the quality of the research result. Without good data, research cannot answer the research question, test hypotheses, or draw valid conclusion. Data collection also involves selecting the appropriate technique, such as observation, interview, questionnaires, or documentation studies. Each technique has its own function depending on the type of research and the information to be explored. In addition, the data collection process must be carried out in a planned, measured manner and follow scientific procedures so that results are reliable and academically accountable. Next is purpose of data collection. The purpose of data collection is to obtain the information needed so that the research can answer the research question accurately and precisely. Through data collection, research can gain a deeper understanding of the fact, condition, and phenomena being studied. Point 1. To obtain information in line with the research objective. Point 2. To answer the research question and test hypotheses. Point 3. Obtaining empirical evidence that can be analyzed. And point 4. Ensuring the quality and validity of research results. Next. Types of data based on source. Here we have two types. Type 1 is primary data. Primary data is data collected directly by research from the first source or research object. This means that this data is obtained directly through research interaction with response or through field observation. Example, interview direct observation, questionnaires. B. Secondary data. Secondary data is data that is already reliable, collected by other parties, and then researched by researching for research purpose. Example, document, archive, annual reports, journal, and books. Next, data collection techniques. 1. Observation. Definition. A technique for collecting data by directly observing object, behavior, or process in the field. Advantage. Actual and factual data, suitable for real behavior, can see the context of the situation directly. And disadvantage, time consuming, possibility of observed bias. Not everything can be observed. Example, observing customer service at a counter. 2. Interview. Definition, collecting data through direct question and answer between the research and the respondent. Type of interviews is structured, like questions are prepared in advance. Semi-structured, there is a guide but it is flexible. Unstructured, free like a conversation. Advantage, more in-depth information. Respondent can explain in detail. Disadvantage, requires good communication skill from the researcher. Respondent may give dishonest answer. Example, interview with HR manager about the recruitment process. Questionnaire definition is data collection technique using a written list of questions given to respondent. Type of questionnaires closed is answer options are provided. Open is like respondents are free to answer. Mixed, a combination of both. Advantage, time and cost efficient, can reach many respondents. Data is easy to process. Disadvantage, responses may be dishonest or arbitrary. Not all responders like in filling out questionnaires. Example, customer satisfaction questionnaire. And the last, documentation. Definition is collecting data from notes, document, archive, reports, recording, photos, videos, and other written resources. Advantage is usually readily available, allow for viewing historical data, inexpensive and quick. Disadvantage, not all documents are complete, or data may be outdated. Example, using sales report from that last 3 years for analysis. Data validity and reliability technique. Validity is the extent to which an instrument or data actually measure what it is supposed to measure. Valid data means that the data is accurate, relevant, and consistent with concept or variable being studied. Example, question that truly measures satisfaction, not something else. And next, reliability is the degree of consistency of an instrument in measuring something. A reliable instrument will give the same result when used repeatedly under the same condition. Example, if repeat the result remain stable. Factor affecting data collection. Research ability, respondent cooperation, data collect tools, field situation and condition, research ethic. Data collection step is 1. Determine the type of data required. 2. Select data collection technique. 3. Develop instrument, question, aborts, observation, guidelines, and something else. 4. Test the instrument. And next, collection data in the field. And the last, check the completeness and quality of the data. Alright guys, thank you for your attention. Thank you.